Welcome, wonderful dreamers. When a space meant for decompression, resetting, and washing the day away became part of the chaos, I quickly noticed what the loss of that little everyday comfort really meant. Everything dried well in between each step, so it only took 8 days. And I learned a new word, screed. They did 2 coats of the waterproof membrane. It's starting to look like a shower again. It's so nice to have the chaos gone. I'm very grateful to have my little space back. Is there an everyday comfort you didn't fully appreciate until it was gone? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you had a good day.